and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan, and it's called Moonlight Clean With Me. And Denise wanted us to clean something in the kitchen after dark. So I am sharing with you my after dinner cleaning routine. This is my pretty much after dinner cleaning routine. We usually eat dinner together, most of us, except on Mondays when my daughter works right after school, so she wasn't eating dinner with us. I did not cook on this day because I had a very busy day, and was doing so many things. The only meals that I've prepared were for the daycare. We kind of divide all the chores between the family members. On Mondays, my son does his chores and my daughter's chores, and then she does his chores on Wednesday when he works. He does work on Wednesdays, but a bit later, so he does have dinner with us. So I am cleaning the kitchen, my husband is tidying up the rest of the house, and my son will be vacuuming the main floor. We vacuum every other day just because with daycare kids it does get messy. When I had a dog, we used to vacuum every single day, but I did find that without the dog, we don't need to do it every single day. I mean, I will vacuum if it's necessary. It's not like it's written in stone we're vacuuming every other day, but typically we don't need to. So I like to wipe down my counters, clean up everything that doesn't belong. I don't like to leave dishes drying, so I like to clean that out and start the dishwasher if it's full, so that way I can maybe empty it before we go to bed.
One more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh
This is a rare occasion that you get to see my teenagers. This is my son. They don't typically like to be shown on the YouTube channel, and I kind of respect that. He knew I was recording and he thought it was funny, so I thought I'd keep it.
Feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know it will be better. It's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know it will be better.
So one other thing that I like to do with my kitchen and also with my family room, which I share with you here as well, is on the days that we vacuum up the floors, I also like to give it just a quick mop with my Norwax mop. I do my floor deep cleaning every Friday, but this is just in between because I do run a home daycare and I do cook a lot, and the floor does get a little dirty, and the family room is where we start and end our day with the daycare, so I always like to give it a little wipe down. Another thing that I'm sharing with you that wasn't part of the collab or challenge is I also like to give my bathroom a quick wipe and a quick swoosh with just a toilet and a sink every night. I deep clean it obviously once a week, and I clean it when it's necessary if the kids had made a mess, but on daily basis I just use my Norwex EnviroCloth and I just give the sink and the toilet a wipe down every night, so that way it is clean for the next day for the kids to make a mess in it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I do cleaning videos often, at least once a week. This is my second one this week. Yesterday I posted a speed cleaning video, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out. And like I said, I would love for you to consider subscribing. It's free. And I want to thank Denise for hosting this challenge, and there will be a playlist down below as well as a link to her channel, so make sure you check it out. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.